Beautiful day. Storm Patrol members out and about enjoying the day and taking some pictures. Lizzie Paz sending this one in after spending a good day at the pool, according to her email. Congratulations to you, Lizzie. And Captain Gene Becker on the Fort Myers Princess, looking out the general direction of the Sanibel Lighthouse. You see a few very high, thin clouds in place, but the atmosphere today was very, very dry. About 3 o'clock this afternoon, our relative humidity officially was only at about 35%. That doesn't happen much in the beginning of May. 63 degrees at 8 a.m., 81 degrees at noon, and 83 degrees at 5 o'clock as you're planning your day tomorrow. Tomorrow, playing out a lot like today. Maybe just a little more humid, but the air is still going to be very, very dry, at least in the short term, but some changes are coming. Here's Storm Patrol Viper using the power of 4. We're looking for rain, not picking up on anything, even as we go about 250 miles out into the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Going to be a different story, I think, by the beginning of next week, as we're going to be tracking a cool front. But in the short term, here's the high-pressure system that we've been talking about over the last couple of days. Sliding very, very slowly into North Florida. That high is going to provide for kind of an easterly wind early in the day. What we're going to be watching, though, as we get to the end of this week is that high moving farther to the east and allowing some of this moisture that's to the south of Florida to kind of move up. That's why the humidity is going to be increasing by the end of this week, especially by the weekend. Then we're tracking this cool front. Is it going to make it to southwest Florida? Well, the models are saying yes, but honestly, they're backing off a little bit as far as the last couple of model runs go. They say that it's probably going to make it to South Florida, but by the time it gets here, it's going to be fairly weak. However, ahead of this front, with the humidity increasing, we will see a chance for showers to return to the forecast by the later portion of the weekend. May have a couple popping up in the afternoon, but the better chance for rain is going to come when this front officially gets here, and it looks like that's probably going to happen on Tuesday. We're going to be tracking that cold air. And as of right now, the front should hold together pretty nicely as it gets to North Florida. By the time it gets to us on Tuesday, it will be weak, but it is going to bring our morning temperatures down by about 3-4 degrees. All right, here's your power of 4 zone forecast. It is going to be a degree or two warmer in the inland zones. We'll have patchy fog with a few clouds in the afternoon. Those clouds going to be fairly limited. Should be a mainly sunny day in the inland zones. Harbor zones, you may also have a little patchy fog. After that, mostly sunny. That includes Northport, Port Charlotte, and Punta Gorda. Coastal zones anywhere from 86 to 88 degrees as it'll be mostly sunny and warm again. We'll see that high temperature getting close to average for this time of year because 88 would be the average high for this day in history. Beaches a few degrees cooler thanks to an onshore sea breeze, anywhere from 83 to 85 for our beaches. Obviously, that includes Boca Grande through Bonita Beach and down through Marco. Here's a look at your forecast for the boaters. 79 degrees. The latest Gulf of Mexico temperature. Winds will be north to northwesterly at about 5 to 10 knots. Pretty good boating day thanks to that high pressure system being camped out pretty close to us. Mostly sunny with a high of 86, and then by Friday, more humidity, 90 degrees. Going to feel a little more like southwest Florida in the beginning of May by Friday. Saturday and Sunday, that humidity stays in place with our dew-point temperatures getting back close to 70. And when that happens, it means that we'll have a few isolated showers popping up in the afternoon thanks to the sea breeze. Scattered showers on Tuesday as that weak front comes through, and there you see the mornings getting back down into the low 60s with the humidity dropping again as we get to the middle of next week. Something we're very